Best deals.
1. Kadai. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking, which helps in preserving 85% of nutrients. Healthier dishes, for sure. 3 layers of metals from base to rim. Scratch and rust resistant surface. No dents or bulging, aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Perfect for daily use and urban lifestyle. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Tadka pan. With its compact 10 cm size, this fry pan is perfect for cooking individual portions of eggs, vegetables, or spices with precision. The sturdy wood handle provides a comfortable grip and stays cool to the touch, offering safe and convenient handling while cooking. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Mini waffle maker. Constructed with high-quality stainless steel, the Dash waffle maker machine is built to withstand daily use and deliver consistent results. Its compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens or even for use in the car. The package includes a 4-inch round waffle iron, ensuring that you have everything you need to make delicious waffles at home. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Grill sandwich maker. Accommodates up to 2 jumbo-sized bread slicers, with the ability to prepare up to 4 regular-sized sandwiches. Opens to 180 degrees for grilling both sides of your sandwiches and can be used for paninis and tortillas thanks to the floating hinge system. Includes an oil drip collector tray to remove excess butter and oil, clip locking system for upright storage, and a 1-meter cord with a cord winder for easy organization. Equipped with a cool touch front handle, thermal fuse, and automatic temperature control for safe and reliable operation. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Electric egg boiler. Boiling eggs in different modes is not easy as it sounds. This is the reason why Wipro Vesta egg boiler can easily boil eggs in 3 different modes: soft, hard and medium. Use the provided measuring cup to add water according to your preference and number of eggs you want. Comes with a special feature which automatically shuts off after boiling eggs for the convenience of the users. Comes with a stainless steel heating plate, which evenly distributes heat to help you get perfectly boiled eggs within minutes. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Barbecue griller. The toughened glass lid that allows you to personally monitor the food that is being cooked. The griller comes with non-stick coated plate to prevent the food from sticking to the surface, thereby allowing the food to cook perfectly well with less usage of oil. It also facilitates easy cleaning. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Uttapam pan. Ensures durability in non-stick performance for effortless cooking and cleaning. Swiss technology provides a durable, scratch-resistant surface that's safe for use with metal spoons. PFOA-free coating guarantees non-toxic cooking, allowing you to enjoy your meals worry-free. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cooker. Gaskets are made from superior quality, food-grade nitrile rubber conforming to injection molded, user-friendly handles, designed to transform your kitchen experience. It is crafted with the best food-grade alloy, and its robust quality is what makes it unique amongst its competitors, and an ideal companion for safe and healthy cooking. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Fry pan. 3-layer metal spoon-friendly coating, protects the surface from scratches caused by spoons, has extreme ability to resist scratches and corrosion on non-stick surface, making it extremely durable. Handles with grip spots gives you a firm hold on the cookware while cooking and makes the handle long-lasting. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Kadai. Ideal for sautéing and stir-frying foods using minimal quantities of oil. It can also be used for deep frying and for cooking gravies, curries and sauces. It is offered with elegant, comfortable plastic handles which are permanently riveted to the pan. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Dosa tawa. Engineered to perfection, this tawa ensures even heating and uniform browning, making you the dosa maestro you aspire to be. Create dosas with elegance, thanks to the ultra-smooth non-stick surface. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Digital air fryer. Crafted this air fryer with a durable, toxin-free, Teflon-free glass bowl, offering a cleaner, healthier way to cook. The 180 degrees transparent window of our air fryer oven allows you to check on your food without opening the lid. And the dishwasher safe parts make cleanup easy. Air fryer machine heats up quickly and delivers consistent cooking with 1450 watts of power. Meals cook faster than traditional air fryers, while the built-in heat circulation system in our air fryer ensures even results, no smoke, no odors. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Casserole. Made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. To be used in low flame, enjoy a low oil lifestyle with a PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor. The casserole is made from cast aluminium body with a non-stick coated granite finish inner layer. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Sandwich maker. Comes with 3 interchangeable non-stick cooking plates for making hot, tasty sandwiches, crispy waffles, or grilled meats. We care for your health and time constraints, so we make safe products with practical, time-saving features. Non-stick electric sandwich maker is easy to clean due to its detachable plates. Its detachability prevents the accumulation of germs caused by food buildup. Sandwich maker is powered by 220 volts and 750 watts to make cooking easier and faster. It also has LED indicator lights that let you know when your food is ready. Some people skip breakfast just to get to work early, but with the sandwich maker, you'll never skip breakfast again. Say goodbye to rushed mornings and hello to a healthier, more punctual you. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Pan. Has coating making cooking safer and our health better. Its new and improved coating ensures durability and poses no harm to food. All in all, smart cookware for a smart kitchen. It's stylish and attractive, suits your kitchen settings. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Electric egg boiler. Elevate your family breakfasts with the Wonderchef electric egg boiler, capable of boiling up to 6 eggs at once. Achieve your preferred egg texture with precision using the included measuring cup. With 3 water levels, soft, medium, and hard, you can customize each egg to perfection. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Waffle maker. To turn on, simply plug in the power cord, and when the green light goes out, you can enjoy the food. Turn off the waffle maker by unplugging it. Has dual non-stick coating. The non-stick plates simply wipe clean with a damp cloth when cooled, without PFOA BPA free. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Stackable container. This stainless steel separator container set allows you to cook a whole meal, rice, lentils per deciliter and vegetables all together in few minutes with minimum use of fuel, energy and retaining all essential nutrients. This set comes with stainless steel lid to trap heat and moisture. There is air vent to each container to release extra steam pressure. This set is stackable and can use for multiple things like steam, stack leftover food, mixing food, etc. It is very easy to maintain and clean. It is dishwasher safe too. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cooker. Withstand the various acids found in many foods such as fruits, meats, milk, and vegetables. It is hence one of the best quality stainless steel grades used for making cooking utensils. Type 304 stainless steel has great strength, which means that, properly used, your Hawkins stainless steel pressure cooker will give you many years of faithful service. Product link is given in the 19th link.